Hey Cookaholics, Chef Kendra here, and today we're making apple crisp, so let's do what we do and make it happen. We're starting out by greasing a baking pan, and I'm just using vegetable oil.
Sugar, flour, brown sugar, rolled oats, cinnamon, vanilla extract, salt, cornstarch, water, butter, apples. Sugar, water, cornstarch, vanilla extract. This is over medium heat and we're going to bring it to a boil. Now that it's starting to boil, we're going to stir until it becomes clear. We have arrived. Now we're just gonna set this aside. Now I have some Honeycrisp apples here. You can use whatever kind of apples you like, but I really, really love the flavor of Honeycrisp. I'm gonna peel them.
Honeycrisp apples are a variety of apple that is known for its crisp texture and sweet, juicy flavor. They were first developed in Minnesota in the 1960s and were introduced to the market in the 1990s. Honeycrisp apples are a cross between two other apple varieties, the Macoun and Honeygold, and they are typically medium to large in size with a red and yellow coloration.
Flour. I'm gonna add the brown sugar. The rolled oats. A little salt. The cinnamon. I'm gonna mix this together well. Now I'm gonna add some room temperature butter. This isn't my favorite butter, but it's what the store had. So now I'm just gonna break off the butter and mix it into the oat mixture. You saw earlier that we greased this baking pan. We're gonna put half the crumb mixture on the bottom. We're gonna throw our apples on top. We're going to pour over that syrup mixture we made earlier. So next thing we're going to do is add the rest of that crumble on top. Smells good. Next, we're going to throw this tasty thing in a 350-degree preheated oven.
For this and other fine recipes, go to chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. All right, fam, that's all for this week. I'll see you next week. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.
Hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just downers. swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.